Connecting the Opal Card with an Apple Wallet is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open the Opal Travel app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the Opal Card you want to add to your Apple Wallet. Now tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button. And then, follow the prompts to complete the process. The other way to connect an Opal Card to an Apple Wallet is open the Wallet app on your Apple Watch or iPhone. Then, tap the plus sign to add a new card. Right after that, select Transit Card. Now choose Opal from the list of transit cards. And then, tap to continue. Opal cards are used for public transportation in New South Wales, Australia, and some other regions. Connecting an Opal Card with Apple Wallet is a convenient way to use your Opal Card for public transport without needing a physical card.